sound will get. The question is find the equation of the parabola. Find the equation of the parabola whose focus is -3, 2 and the directrix is x plus y equal to 4. Okay, so focus, suppose P is any point. P is a point here. Suppose here x1 and y1. Okay, x1 and y1. So this is your PS and here draw the perpendicular. Clear? This is the directrix, equation of the directrix. So PM. This is your PM. So it is a parabola. So we know that PS over PM is equal to eccentricity is equal to 1. So it means PS is equal to PM. PS is equal to PM. Now use the distance formula. You can find out PS distance is x minus here. So x1 is there. So x1 become here plus 3 whole square distance formula plus y1 minus 2, okay, whole square is equal to PM. So you know the distance here. If this is your point is P and here N is perpendicular to the line AX plus BY plus C equal to 0 and point is x1 and y1. So PM is equal to AX1 plus BY1 divided by C square root A square plus B square. So we can use here A is how much? A is 1. So 1 into x1. 1 into x1 plus B how much? 1. 1 into y1 plus C is how much? Minus 4 divided by A square plus B square.
And then 1 square plus 1 square.
1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So here x1 plus 3 whole square, y1 minus 2 whole square root is equal to x1 plus y1 minus 4 divided by root 2. Clear? So squaring both sides, squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides. So when squaring on both sides, so square root will remove. x1 plus y1 minus 4 whole square by 2. Okay. Now here x1 square plus 3 square plus 2 x1 and here y1. Okay. A square plus b square plus 2ab plus b square minus 2 given ac plus b is equal to a square b square 2ab. Okay, once again a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. And this is the formula of a plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole square. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2a B 2AB plus 2B, B is here y1, B C minus 4, okay, 2AB 2BC 2CA 2C, C is your how much?
4
Minus 4,
minus 4
2AB 2BC 2CA, A is x1 divided by
2
2, right on. So here x1 is square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, once again a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab
plus B square
plus b square, here a b c, okay, so a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca divided by
2
2. Now what you have to do? You have to cross multiply. You have to cross multiply. Clear? So when you cross multiply, so you will get here x1 square plus 9 plus 6x1
plus y square
plus y square, y1 square
minus 4y1
4y1
plus 4
plus 4 equal to no into
2
2
equal to
equal to
x1 square
square
plus y1 square
plus y1 square
plus 16
plus 16
plus 2x1 y1
plus 2
x
x1 y1
plus 8y1 minus 8y1
minus 8y1
minus 8x1.
minus 8x. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So now these all will multiply by 2. So
2x.
2x1 square
Plus
plus
26.
18
26. अच्छा हाँ 18.
18 plus 12x1 plus 2y1 square 8y1
Plus
plus 8 is equal to x1 square
Plus
y1 square
plus
16
plus
2
2x1
x1 y1
minus 8y1
8y1
minus 8x1.
8x. Now transfer this side. So see here, when you transfer x1 to this side here, 2x1 square. So become how much?
x1 square.
x1 square. Now 2y1 square here. This is 2y1, here y1 square. So transfer this side.
y1 square.
So y1 square. Okay. Here 12x1. Here minus x1. Here bring this side.
4x1
So how much?
plus 4x1
12x1 plus 8x1. No. 20 x1. Here 2y1 square.
so done.
Done.
Minus
Okay.
8y.
Minus 8y1. Transfer this side. Become plus 8y1 and cancel 0. 18 plus 8. How much?
26.
How much?
26.
26. And here this one bring this side. So how much?
10.
10 is equal to 0.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the required equation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the required equation. This is the required equation. Okay? Clear? So question is here, find the equation of the parabola whose focus is given 1 1 and tangent at the vertex is x plus y is equal to 1. It means here it is given, focus is given, and our purpose to find out the directrix. If you get the directrix, no, so then after we can use PS is equal to PM, because this is a parabola, eccentricity will be 1, so PS is equal to PM. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So our purpose to find out the equation of the directrix. Clear? Suppose this is the parabola. This is a parabola. And this is the tangent. This is a tangent. Okay? This is a tangent line, and tangent line is x plus y equal to 1. Okay? And this is the axis of a parabola. This is the axis of a parabola. Okay? And this is the directrix. This is the directrix. Okay? What is given here? Focus S is equal to 1. Okay? Focus is given. Focus is your S here. This is your vertex. And suppose this is point A. Okay? Now, so tangent here it means 90 degree. What is the slope of the tangent? Slope, suppose m1 of a tangent is equal to how much? Y is equal to minus x plus 1. What is m? M is minus 1.
Yes, sir.
The slope of m1 is, suppose here m1, the line, okay, is m1. So how much? Minus 1. Slope of the minus 1. So what is the slope of the axis? Slope of a tangent here. Okay, so we have focus. Focus is, focus S is 1 1. Okay. Equation of a tangent line. Equation of a tangent line is y is equal to minus 1 into x plus 1. The slope of a tangent line, slope of a tangent line is how much? Minus 1. Clear? The slope, this is the axis. This is the axis. What is the slope of axis? Will be negative reciprocal, because this is a perpendicular. The slope, okay, slope of the axis is negative reciprocal. No? So if m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Now if suppose this one is m1 and this one is line near slope is m2 and this line is m1. So m1 into m2, you know that m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So m1 is minus 1, so m2 minus 1, so m2 is equal to 1. So you got the slope of the axis. Clear? Slope of the axis you got, and 1 point you have. So what is the equation of axis? 1.4. Equation of a line is 1.4. So equation of an axis. Equation of an axis. Y and x minus x1. Y, what is the slope? Slope of this line you got n2 here 1. Okay, and 2 right here 1, x minus y minus y1. Y minus y1. So your y1 is how much? This x1 is 1, y1 is 1. So y minus 1, m2 is 1, x minus 1. Any doubt? So y minus 1 equal to x minus 1. Okay, clear? So y,
So the x minus 1 is taken as negative reciprocal, right?
yes.
Yes, sir.
So negative reciprocal how much? 1 no?
Yes.
Okay, so y minus 1, m2 is 1, x minus x1. Y here x minus 1, okay. So you got here how much? X minus y equal to 0. This is the equation. X minus y equal to 0. Suppose this is the equation of a tangent line is here x plus y. Okay. So equal to here 2. This is equation number 2. Okay. And here the equation. What is the equation of a tangent line? X plus y equal to 1. Okay. So this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2 you are solving equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. So see here x plus y is equal to 1 and x minus y is equal to 0. Simplify. So 2x is equal to 1. X is equal to how much? 1 by 2. How much y? Y also 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
So you got, see here, the point of intersection, it means vertex you got. Clear? Vertex you got how much? 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now we know that this is the directrix. This is your directrix. Okay? This is your directrix. So we know that vertex is the midpoint between the directrix. Vertex is the midpoint between the focus and the directrix. Okay? Suppose this point is x1 and y1. x1 and y1. So we know that. Okay? Okay, we know that the vertex is the midpoint between the focus and the directrix. Okay, so let the point A is x1 and y1. So midpoint formula x1 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Vertex 1 by 2. x1 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So see here. So x1 plus 1 is equal to 1. x1 is equal to 0. Now y1 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So y1 plus 1 is equal to here 1. So y1 is equal to 0. So you got the coordinates of this one 0 and 0. Okay? Clear? Now the equation of a line, equation of a directrix. So equation of a directrix formula y minus y1 and x minus x1. Okay? So here the line is passing, the directrix is passing through the origin. So it means x1 is 0 and y1 is 0. No?
Yes, sir.
The directrix is passing through the origin. Okay? So it means x1 is 0 and y1 is 0. So y minus 0, what is n? M will be M in the parallel to the tangent line. No?
Yes, sir.
So what is the slope of M1?
Minus
Minus 1 into x minus 0. So y is equal to minus x. It means x plus y equal to 0. Now you got the directrix. What is the equation of a directrix? Equation of a directrix you got how much? X plus y is equal to 0. Clear? Now you got the equation of a directrix. Now PS over PM, suppose S be any P here, this is S, and P any points XY suppose. No? Clear? So PS over PM is equal to 1 and 1 because eccentricity is 1 of a parabola. So
can
this
we
is
take the x2 and y2?
PS is equal to PM.
So can we take the x2 and y2? There will be confusion.
Okay, so you can put here X and here K. Any doubt? Okay. So now here become PS. So you can write here distance formula H minus 1 whole square K minus 1 whole square equal to PM. Okay, so the perpendicular, draw the perpendicular here. This is M. Okay, so AX1, A how much here? 1. AX1, X1 is here H plus B. B is
0,
1. Y1 is K. Okay, C how much? 0. C 0
Yes, sir.
divided by A square plus B square. A is how much? 1. A is 1 and B is 1. So 1 square plus 1 square. So squaring both sides. Okay. So H minus 1 whole square K minus 1 whole square. Okay. Or if you want to write one more step, you can write here H plus K divided by root 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Sir, the x plus k
Squaring both sides. Squaring. So H minus 1 whole square K minus 1 whole square is equal to H plus K whole square by 2. So here become H square minus 2H plus 1 K square plus 1 minus 2K. Here become H square plus K square plus 2HK divided by 2. Now cross multiply. Okay. So direct multiply here. So 2H square 4H plus 2
plus
2K square plus 2 minus 4K
plus
equal to H square plus K square plus 2H. Now here 2H square and here H square. So how much here?
h
H square.
square
Here 2K square, here K square. So become here
k square
A square. Okay. Minus 4H. Okay. Minus 4K. Minus 2HK. Clear? 2HK. Here plus 4 equal to 0. So now convert HK. H is X, K is Y. So you will get X square plus Y square minus 4X minus 4Y minus 2XY plus 4 equal to 0. This is the required equation of a parabola. Clear? This is the required equation of a parabola.